Hi, I'm Jagan Krishna Raj, LMF Workshop Course Designer. Today I invite you to join the LMF Workshop Telegram group. Telegram group is where I post the meeting link and Q&A sessions happen on the Telegram group during the workshop. So to join the Telegram group, open the core success link. We would have sent you the core success link on WhatsApp and in SMS. Just click on the core success link, go to the core success page. You will see two options: join Telegram group and join WhatsApp group. I invite you to join Telegram group for your privacy, because if you join Telegram group, your mobile number is private to you. Nobody else in the group can see your mobile number. And also, Telegram app can be installed on multiple devices at once. In our iPad, iPhone, Mac, PC, you can have any number of Telegram apps installed simultaneously. So for this advantages, I invite you to join Telegram group. So if you don't have Telegram installed, click on the first button, install Telegram app, then install the Telegram app and then join the Telegram group. Suppose if you don't want to install Telegram app, simply join the WhatsApp group by clicking on join WhatsApp group button. So both this Telegram and WhatsApp group are private groups. You could send messages to these groups only between 8 and 8:30 p.m. This is to respect everyone's time. So please join Telegram group or WhatsApp group, depends on what you prefer. Thank you so much. I'm Jagan Krishna Raj, LMF.